2023 marks the 158th anniversary of the official abolition of slavery in the United States. In commemoration of this feat, on June 19th, also known as Juneteenth, Black people across America celebrate. However, I beg you to keep in mind that June 19th, 1865 does not mark the date that slavery ended in the United States, but instead marks the gap in time that many slaves were informed of their freedom. On January 1st, 1863, Abraham Lincoln issued the Emancipation Proclamation, which declares that all persons held as slaves are and henceforward shall be free. This, however, had little impact on many places in the Deep South, as there were few Union troops to enforce this executive order. It was not until June 19th, 1865, that General Gordon Granger rode into Galveston, Texas, and read General Order Number 3, informing an estimated 250,000 enslaved people in the state of Lincoln's proclamation 901 days prior. Just as this official enactment came late to our long tortured people, so too has national recognition of the significance of this day. This late recognition is not by accident either, as celebration of this unofficial holiday have often been discouraged and even disbanded by authorities. While we are unable to change the events of the past, it is important that we cling to our traditions and history, and that we continue to share them so that those who lost their lives can appropriately be honored. On Juneteenth, we honor the strength and resilience of our ancestors. We celebrate their freedom from slavery and commit to fighting for the freedom, justice, and equality for them, for us, and for future generations. On Monday, June 19th, 2023, if you're on Nantucket, we're inviting you to 3 great events at 3 great locations. We're starting Juneteenth off with an amazing tour of the historic Colored Cemetery, led by our very own historian, Barbara White. Next, we're heading on over to the African Meeting House. Come meet the new executive director of the Museum of African American History, Boston and Nantucket campus. And finally, at 3 o'clock, meet us right here on the South Field at the Nobadeer Athletic Fields for a little shindig. We're inviting you out to enjoy some great soul food from Snick Snacks food truck. We're gonna have games for the kids. We're also going to have some amazing Juneteenth crafts set up for them. And most importantly, we're gonna have a DJ, because I expect all of you to meet me on that field for a little cha-cha slide and for a little Cupid shuffle, because we are celebrating liberation. Can't wait to see you there.